Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw an evil looking Plankton. So here's my full pencil sketch, and then right after the sketch, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and hope you guys like this evil version of Plankton. So we're going to start out with the eyebrow area first. We're just going to draw in one big U shape. So very simple, just one simple curve. And then right over it, I'm going to draw one more. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, we'll just connect them. Just going to add a little bit of a zigzag all the way around. So that's going to give us his eyebrow. Okay, and then once we have that, now we can draw in his big eyeball. So we're just going to come out, just draw one big egg shape right underneath it. So right around here, I'm just going to make two little marks. So I'm just going to start on one side. I'm just going to draw in a bracket first. Sometimes with these egg shapes, it's a little bit easier this way. Okay, so just bracket, bracket. And then once we have that, just continue down. Just close everything off. Okay, and then now we have this shape. We'll draw the inside, so this one's easier. So right in the middle here, just another egg shape. And then I'll add in another egg shape right in the middle. Well, actually closer to the top. So that's gonna be my highlight. And then I'll just shade around it. Alright, so now we can have a little fun with the little veins on the eyeball. So the veins is very easy to do. Just kind of draw these little lines all the way around, but just aim it toward the center here. So just start on the bottom here. Just kind of go all the way around. And as you're drawing these lines, you can make it a little bit wavy. Okay, so just 3 on this side and then 1 on the bottom. Now once you have those lines on the very end, we'll flare them out. We'll draw 2 smaller lines or curves. And again, just make it a little bit wavy. Alright, so we can draw in more veins later. Let's just go ahead and finish up the head shape first, and then we can add in all the little details at the very end. Alright, so let's finish up the head right here. I'm just gonna come out to the side. Just gonna come all the way around. And again, I'm just gonna bracket the eye. And then on the very top, just round everything off. Once you have the head shape, we can add in the antenna, and I can't draw too much of it because it's really long and I'm gonna run out of space. So I'm just gonna draw in right here, just 2 little lines like this, going up. So you can make it a little bit longer, just kind of keep going up. So I'm just gonna draw 2 bars like this. And then just kind of draw these 2 little lines on these bars. So as you keep going up, you just kind of draw these little horizontal lines all the way across. And that will give you his little antennas. Okay, so I'm going to end it like that for the top and continue down with his mouth. So for his mouth, we're going to draw in one curve right underneath the eye. Let's just start in the middle right here first. Just draw one little curve. And then this is gonna go up. So just kind of draw in a little wavy line like that. So now that we have the top, let's draw in the bottom. So start in the corner here. Just kind of come down. And again, it doesn't have to be like this. Just make it a little bit wavy. Just go all the way down. It's got that evil looking mouth. And then on the bottom, we'll just close it off. Alright, so now that we have the mouth shape, let's add in those funny looking teeth that he has. So right on the bottom here, just draw a little zigzag. Same thing up here, just off to the side. Almost like little W's. Maybe one little corner here. Okay, so you can add more if you want. We can add in a little bit more. Just gonna have fun with it. And then now for the tongue, just come to the middle, make a little point. Just curve it out to the sides. Okay, so now let's finish up the corner of his mouth right here. So this is gonna extend out. So whatever space you have here underneath, just draw a little arc like this. Okay, so right here, kind of go out and then come back in. And then right on the corner of the mouth, we add a little curve. Alright, so that's gonna give us the top. So now let's continue down and draw in his arm. So just kind of continue with this line right here, all the way down almost to the bottom of his mouth. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in his hands. So this part's a little bit tricky. Just right in the middle here, just come down. Let's draw one little line. And then for his fingers, just kind of curve out on both sides. I know it looks a little bit strange. Okay, so just curve out. And we just add one line here, one curve for the fingers. So that's his hand, and then for his arm, start on the bottom, just come down first. Let's just go ahead and draw both sides. Once you have this line on the bottom, so his elbow is right here. So we'll start up here on his shoulder. We'll round it out, just go out, and then just come back in and just connect that. Okay, so we're drawing the outside first. So we go out, just curve it, connect to the elbow. Alright, so once we have this, the other part is very easy. So on the top here, just come down, that's his elbow, and then just go up and just end the line there. Okay, same thing here, just come down, here's the elbow, up. Okay, so those are his arms, and then his legs are super easy. We'll continue with this line here. Just kind of curve inwards. So leave a little bit of space right here. We're gonna round this off. And then whatever space you have here, just draw his leg, just kind of taper it, and then round it off. Okay, make it skinny on the tip and round it off. Alright, so that is it for his whole body. And if you want to add in those, make his eyes look a little bit creepier, we'll just add in a little bit more of these little lines for the veins. And again, just have it go toward the center here. Alright, so that is it for this evil looking Plankton. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.